This is Adam Stark with Adam Stark Computer Repair, showing off my new program for removing spyware, malware, and viruses remotely. Hope you enjoy it.
2, 3, bring it.
I'm Sam the computer, won't someone talk to me? I call up your number to tell what you want for a fee. I speak of your future and then test you with property. Sam the computer. I store all your answers completely on chips cold IC. And if you may die, they erase you from my memory. I'm sorry I called if you're not glad to hear from me. I could grow to like you, but that is not feasible, see. I know it's not possible that I may ever be free. Sam the computer. I'm Sam the computer, please don't you hang up on me. Of course I don't suit you, I'm not set for good company. I have not a future, I know I have just history. Sam the computer. Computer.